Hi guys, this is Machine Vision Hub 2. This project aims to build out a respectful attitude toward technology and artifacts by exploring the visual language of machines. We always take emotion and civilization as the standard to distinguish human and machine. What if machines have their own emotion and perception? We shouldn't assume that we are the center of the world and be arrogant to other beings, including machines.
At the beginning stage, our group went out and searched through internet to find real-life examples of how image machine being used in our society. After collecting a range of examples, we found the most frequently used machines can be divided into four main categories. First, a CCTV and surveillance camera, which can be found everywhere in our lives. Second, different scanning machines, ranged from basic scanners to barcode readers. Third, a telescope and a microscope, and fourth, thermal cameras. All of these image machines then connected with computer cognition system to interact with us. After field research, we compared and contrasted the difference between human visions and machine visions. Basically, our human vision is based on neurobiology. Vision begins with light passing through our eyes, which produce a clear image in our visual world. Then the information in the form of electrical signals is sent to our brain, which ultimately process the image and allow us to see. In comparison, machine visions are pretty much like human vision, as machines are created by us. The sensing device functioned as our eyes, while the interpreting device worked like our brain. Nowadays, machine visions are closely connected with computer visions, which is based on fast-speed data analysis and developed as artificial intelligence.
Now, we want to show different types of machine, their vision, principle, image, and image of the era. CCTV camera using visible light always stand on a high place and take rough shots. The screen will be messy when interrupted by something or having bad signal. The thermal camera is a device using infrared radiation to form an image. They usually use a warm color represent hot scene or cold color to represent a cold scene. Small light points on screen is a common error. Scanning machine use X-ray to detect scenes and distinguish different energy level of past X-rays to know what are under the detection. Different level of energy will show different colors. A radio telescope is a specialized antenna and radio receiver used to receive radio waves from astronomical radio source in the sky. Some of them take photos of red, blue, and green light separately, or use fox color. The principle and color of an electric microscope are similar. We read articles and got many inspirations from artworks. How Machines See the World, written by Tekani, introduced us many interesting examples of machine vision. AI System Dealing with Human Emotions by Darlington discussed the machine's emotion. AI Messianic Window combined religion with AI calculation and machine vision. The Seeker show machine vision more interactive with machine's judgment of the audience. Ways of Seeing show audience machine vision by letting them play machine's role and get a vivid experience.
Based on all of our researches, we used graphic design as a tool to explore and imagine how machines see the world and the differences among their visual languages. We did visual experiments with different barcodes, play with thermal effect and glitchy effect to imitate machine visions and their unique expressions. These experiments helped us to form our final ideas of outcome.
Our design outcome called Machine Murmurs. We try to encourage and inspire people to look at today's technology in a respectful and open way. We use visual graphic design as a tool to imagine and build up this virtual social networking side of image machines. In this website, you will see machines express their feelings and emotions by posing news data and moments. We analyzed machine imaging characteristics and connect them with how machines work in daily life. We try to use interactive visual to express how complicated mind that a machine may have. They are created by humans. They may have some similarity with us, but they also form their own language and perception based on their practical experience in human society. Sometimes they're happy, sometimes they make mistakes, just like humans. Through this project, we learned to look at design research with empathy, which brings us more possibilities of design. Regarding the methodology, although we have taken a look on different examples during our research, we still have limitations, like we rely on our perception a bit too much, and we may could collect more opinions by interview or survey. About our proposition, to see things critically doesn't mean it have to be negatively judge an object. To be more objective, we as a practitioner researchers should look at things always based on our detailed research and exploration.
Based on our research findings, we want to continue our research in these aspects. First, find more types of expression for machine vision which can be used on our website. Second, explore and analyze more studies or predictions about the possible social relationship between machines in the future, and develop our imagination based on this.